All right, the car is getting an oil change at Toyota. And look at this coffee. So, I pulled out a French vanilla. Let's see if I can figure this sucker out. Place the bin in where? There. How do you do that? Press, nothing obvious. This is worse than ICOM 7300, man. Okay, first remove drip cup. Please place empty pack bin. Something about a drip cup. How about a button? That's not obvious. That's Spanish. Please place empty pack bin. So someone must have left one empty. Pull it. Whole machine pulls. Okay, what about this machine? Ah, there we go, look at that. That's how to do it. So this one is the same way? Yes, it is. I would say some color coding would be useful. First, remove drip tray. Why? Why do I remove the drip tray? I don't want to remove the drip tray. Please empty pack bin. So it must be a pack bin in here. Okay, let's say that machine is serviced and I'm not the guy for it. So this one, I'm gonna open this up. So I'm thinking that's full of old packies. Wow, this is bad ergonomics on these doubles. Okay, there we go. Now, does it go in like this? Yep. Now what? I want coffee. Large, regular, small. There it is. I want a regular. Oh, damn it all. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. Then goes the coffee. It's brewing it. So it must have a reserve of hot water. It's like an ICOM 7300, it just does things. That must be a drink. Well, it didn't overflow. Now, where did the old packy go? Did it chomp it? Is it gone? Hey, look at that. All right, now we need some cream and we're all set. Do I see any cream like dairy cream? Like from a cow, like moo. Mmm. Oh, look at that. Take it over here. What do we got here? Non-dairy creamer. Oh my God. Well, let's throw it in there. You need some creamer. There it is. Put some more in there. Now, how do you stir it? No stir sticks. What about the shake, shake, shake method? Okay, and those, oh, here's sticks right here. Didn't see them. Stir. Stir, stir, stir. Let's give it a taste. It tastes like rubbish. Pure rubbish. It tastes terrible. It tastes burned. Really bad. Let's try and make it a little smoother. And try it now. It's just not drinkable. Maybe if it cooled off, it'd be drinkable. Well, anyway, is my coffee experiment at AutoNation. In the waiting area, see? Bigger is better. That's what Arnold Schwarzenegger says. And always people waiting for their cars to get fixed. I don't recommend the coffee here at all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.